Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our beloved Ustad Adnan Rashid, mashallah, almost 2 weeks long trip to Australia is coming to an end, and we are here for the last program, and inshallah you're flying back tomorrow. Adnan bhai, what are your feelings?
My feelings are mixed. I have emotions. I have beautiful memories. I have I've had beautiful food, alhamdulillah. I've met so many wonderful people from Sydney to Melbourne to Canberra. It's been a dynamic trip. We've done a lot of talks, a lot of masjids have been covered, an entire dynamic dawah course, meetings with important Muslim activists. This is a beautiful community throughout Australia, which has inspired me to continue the work we are already doing, which is to make this world a better place by sharing the message of Islam compassionately, mercifully. We have to be active players in the societies we live in and make this world a better place by raising the word of Allah and let people see the beauty of Islam in our actions and in our words. So I believe the trip to Australia has been very successful. Alhamdulillah, all praise is due to Allah and all the brothers who have supported this work. Brothers in Sydney, brothers in Melbourne, brothers in Canberra. In particular, Brother Imtiaz has been with me all the way. May Allah bless you all. The people of Australia, I look forward to seeing you when Allah permits. Assalamu alaikum.
Adnan bhai, one question I really want to ask, because people are going to ask me as well, when you coming back?
When the people of Australia, the Muslims of Australia will invite me back, I want to fly back in immediately. I love this country so much. Beautiful people, beautiful country, beautiful weather, beautiful landscape, beautiful wildlife, beautiful food. Everything is beautiful. Wallahi. And I'm saying this from my heart. So as soon as I'm invited to conduct more work here, inshallah, I'll be back. It'll be an honor.
Alhamdulillah, it was a pure pleasure and honor to be in the company of my and the beloved Ustad of all of you, and inshallah he will be with us soon again. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.